A function is a block of organized, reusable code that is used to perform a single, related action. Functions provide better modularity for your application and a high degree of code reusing. Its syntax is shown below. Python has several functions that are readily available for use. These functions are called built-in functions. Let's create a list. Here we have different elements, and now let's find the maximum valued element from our list. For finding that, we use max function, which is a predefined function in Python, and we got the output as 4.2, which is obviously the maximum valued element. Likewise, we have round function, which round of the values. In this example it's given as round 2341.426, -2. And we got the output as 2300. We asked Python to round two values. Since we have given -2, it will round of the values from decimal point to left. That's why we got the answer as 2300. You can try the same example with 2, instead of putting -2. Next one is the most important thing that you have to understand. Use help to open up the documentation. This helps us to know about the function, its use and its syntax. Now let's move on to let's understand about user-defined functions. Function blocks begin with the keyword def followed by the function name and parentheses. Any input parameters or arguments should be placed within these parentheses. You can also define parameters inside these parentheses. The code block within every function starts with a colon and is indented. The statement return value exits a function, optionally passing back an expression to the caller. A return statement with no arguments is the same as return none. Let's create our first function. Use def to create the function, and I named the function name as add and giving the argument as a. Don't forget to put the colon. Now let's define sum equals a plus 5, and in return statement we gave as return sum. Now we are just calling the function using the function name we already provided. Now run the code, add 7, and we get the output as 12. This is because we provided with argument when we defined the function. You can do this with more arguments. Now let's create a function difference as diff with two argument a and b, multiple return values. We write the code as difference1 equals a minus b and difference2 equals b minus a. To view the both results together, we created a tuple object difference with difference1 and difference2. In return we provided with the tuple object difference. Now let's try to provide two values. We call the function diff with values 10 and 6. Here Python will do both operations 10-6 and 6-10 and prints the output as a tuple. Now you can try to create your own function. Try to create multiplication and division using functions.